All right, welcome to video number 5 in the Email Marketing Rainmaker video series. Now, today we're going to talk about how to replace your day job and make $3,500 a month or more writing emails that sell as a done-for-you service for clients, for other businesses. So this is video number 5 in the series, this free 5-part series. This is stuff that I usually charge a lot of money for, so hope you guys are getting a ton of value out of this free series. So far, we're in the last video of the series, so this is going to wrap everything up, and you guys, this will be public on YouTube forever, so you can watch it as many times as you want. Now, here's what we're going to cover today in this video. First off, 5 niches that you can target as a beginner if you are going out to the market for the first time, or even if you are a veteran who already has experience with email copywriting and you're just looking for the best niches, low-hanging niches to target. I'm going to talk about those, my personal opinion here. Then we'll talk about 5 ways that you can package up and offer email marketing as a service to clients. We'll talk about how the 5 steps to get your first client in 30 days, and also how to scale to 100K plus per year writing emails for clients as a done-for-you service. So let's first talk about the 5 different niches that you can target if you're doing done-for-you email marketing, email copywriting. I am yet to find a niche that can't benefit from email marketing. Works for any business, any niche, any product, any service, any industry. As long as you're selling to someone who can read, another human being, right, that can read, it's going to work for you, or it's going to work for your clients, whoever you're targeting. Now, that being said, there are some low-hanging fruit niches, some niches that are better than others to target. So here are 5 low-hanging fruit niches that I recommend to target as clients, whether you're a beginner, whether you're intermediate or veteran. So niche number 1 is e-commerce. So when I say e-commerce, e-commerce means anything sold online, but I'm referring specifically to businesses that sell physical products online in this case. Now, this is probably obvious. If you look at your email inbox, you probably have a ton of emails, flash sale, discount coupons from retail stores, whether they're brick and mortar or online. So I believe this is going to be a record year for sales and online sales. I don't have to mention why. I don't want to get demonetized, but I think Black Friday and Cyber Monday, it's going to be a record year for sales. And that's right around the corner. It's about a month or 2 away. And more people are online. More people are buying at home from the comfort of their home than ever before. They're not going into stores as much for, again, obvious reasons. So I think e-commerce this is probably the lowest hanging fruit that it gets. They already understand that email is important. They are already sending emails. They just need help sending better emails and maybe setting up some email automations there. So e-commerce, number 1. Number 2 is online health, fitness, and personal training. Now, this is anyone who sells any kind of online health, fitness, or personal training products or programs online. This niche is exploding since everyone is stuck at home and they can't go to the gym as much. They can't go in person to meet up with their trainers. So you can help these companies, these online health, fitness, personal training companies, sell more of their training programs, their merchandise, their workout gear, equipment, supplements, whatever they're selling, you can help them sell more of online using email. So niche number 3 is online education and e-learning. Now, I have a special place in my heart for online education and e-learning. One of my businesses is an online education company. And so you guys probably know how much I love this industry, but these are businesses that sell education and information online. Ebooks, online courses, coaching programs, online summits, online academies, membership programs, any kind of business or individual or influencer who sells information or education online. Now, this is another niche that's exploding since people can't really go to school right now, and they're being forced to find other ways to learn new skills and just get an education. So I have 2 siblings who are still in school. My brother who's in high school, his go back to school date has been postponed a few times now, due to, you probably know what I'm talking about. And my sister is in graduate school and she can't go into class. She's learning everything virtual, and this is a topic for another time, but they're scamming her. They're making her pay the same amount that she would if she were to go into class and go through labs and all that stuff. So she's learning virtually. My brother hasn't even started school yet, and it's just a mess right now, right? People are being forced to look up these online education companies, these e-learning companies and publishers, and finding new ways to learn new skills and get an education, right? So another industry, multi-billion-dollar industry, by the way, super fast-growing online education, e-learning. This is my favorite industry on this list. Number 4 is professional services. So this is coaches, consultants, service providers selling high-ticket solutions. You can help them book more phone calls that lead to high-ticket and large-size deals, right? So coaches kind of fit into number 3 here as well, but anyone who's selling some kind of high-ticket service or some kind of coaching or consulting program or even one-on-one sessions, you can use email to help them book more phone calls that lead to those clients and to those new deals and new revenue for their business. Number 5 is software. So businesses that sell any kind of software. You can help both B2B and B2C companies in the software space get more sales of their software. Or if they're in the high ticket B2B space, you can help them get more demos booked or appointments booked or phone calls booked for potential customers and clients to see their software and demo their software before signing up, right? So these are 5 niches that you can target. I have been in 4 of these in some capacity. I haven't been too much in the online health, fitness, and personal training space, but e-commerce, online education, e-learning, professional services, and software. I've been in all of those industries before. So if you are starting and offering email marketing as a service, these are 5 low-hanging fruit niches that I would start with. You don't have to pick one of these, but this is personally what I'd pick, and in my opinion, these are the best 5 to start with. That will be the easiest to sell this as a service to. So we just talked about niches. Let's talk about 5 ways that you can package up and offer email marketing as a done-for-you service to clients. Get paid thousands of dollars per month to do so. Right? So number 1 is daily emails, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Writing an email a day or every weekday for clients. Now, if you sell this to a company who isn't mailing daily, let's just say they're emailing once per week or once every other week or even once per month in some cases, you can help them dramatically increase their sales. I'm talking double, triple, even quadruple their sales, depending on what they're currently doing. So it's a very impactful service if you help a company that isn't mailing daily and you go in and help them do that. So this is what I recommend you start with because first off, you have a huge impact on the sales of the business and you can also charge a recurring fee for this service. So if you're doing daily emails, let's just say once per weekday, that's 20 emails per month. It's very viable for you to charge 2, 3, 4, even $5K per month to write them these 20 emails per month. And the best part is you get to learn and you get to earn while you learn, right? As you are doing this service and writing an email every day for the client, you get better at this skill, you get to sharpen the skill, and you're doing it on on your client's dime, and you're helping them make more sales in return while also getting better at this lucrative money-making skill of writing emails that sell. Right, so daily email is probably my number 1 recommendation to start with if you are just getting started with offering email marketing as a service for clients. Number 2, automation sequences. So this is creating automated sequences like abandon cart, pre-purchase, nurture, new customer welcome, win back or retention or VIP sequences, any kind of automated sequence that gets your client new sales, new customers daily, weekly, monthly, yearly on autopilot without them lifting a finger. Okay, so this is a very attractive thing to want to offer to clients, but it's a little trickier because it doesn't have recurring built into it, right? So what we do is we charge a high upfront fee. We charge $75 to $10K depending on what they need, and then we charge a percentage of whatever the sequences is that we set up. So let's just say we set up an abandoned cart sequence for them if they didn't already have it set up, or we make it better. We have a percentage of sales built into the deal that we get for all the sales that come in through that sequence. All right, so it's a little trickier to sell than daily emails where you can just go to a company and say, hey, I can help you double your sales by emailing more and emailing better, right, with your daily email service. But automation sequences, those are our 2 main core offerings at Growth Response for our done-for-you email service. All right, daily emails, automation sequences. Number 3 is product launch emails. So you are creating an email sequence to help companies launch a new product. So this is great for info products, for startups, or even companies that sell physical products on sites like Kickstarter or Indiegogo, right? So any company that's launching a new product, you can go and help them with this product launch email service, help them get more sales of their product on the launch date or during the launch timeline, right? Number 4, B2B emails. So this is creating emails for B2B, business-to-business companies with email lists. And you're going to help them generate more high-ticket leads, appointments, and new clients for their business by using email, right? Number 5 is cold sales emails. So this is what we offered at Growth Response, and this is what got us to multiple six figures. We were offering just cold outbound sales emails and LinkedIn messaging, but we're moving away from this as our model and focused on helping businesses monetize their existing email list where people have chosen to opt in and to hear from the company or whoever our client is, right? But this is a very viable service to get you to 10K per month and beyond, whether you're doing it for your own clients or you're doing it for yourself to get clients, right? Cold sales emails and cold outreach, very effective, right? So these are 5 ways that you can offer email marketing as a service. These are 5 services or 5 ways that I've offered it as a service, either for myself to generate sales for my businesses or as a service for clients, right? This is where I recommend you start with. Now, you should pick just one of these services, okay? Pick one of these services. Don't go and try to offer all 5 of these, or you're gonna confuse your client, you're gonna confuse yourself, overwhelm yourself, and you're not gonna get any clients if they're confused, right? So pick one of these services, start with that. You can expand as needed as you go. Now, my recommendation is daily emails because it's an easy sell. It's recurring revenue. It is highly impactful for any clients that you do this for. And you get to earn while you learn, right? You get to sharpen the skill, the money-making skill of writing emails that sell by doing it for established businesses that already have a proven product or service. Okay, so if you are looking for my number 1 recommendation, definitely daily emails here. Now you can start, people also ask about pricing. You can start with, what I recommend you do is start with a number in your mind, a per email number in your mind. $100 to $200 per email is a good place to start, but you don't want to tell the client, I charge $100 per email. You want to sell it as a package if you're doing something like daily emails, right? So let's just say your number is $100 to $200. You can sell it as a package, a daily email package, $2,000 to $4,000 per month per client to write them 20 emails per month, every weekday, right? So you want to have that number in your mind per an email. Don't tell the client that number. You want to sell it as a package, especially if you're going with daily emails, so you can charge that recurring per month fee for that service. Now, let's talk about 5 steps to get your first client in 30 days. If you're starting from scratch, what are the 5 steps you need to take to get your first client? Step number 1, pick your niche. I gave you 5 low-hanging fruit niches that I would pick, my personal opinion. Pick one of those or pick whatever niche that you're gonna go after and get started there, right? You gotta pick your niche, pick who you're gonna go after and target with your email marketing service. Step number 2, pick the email service that you're gonna offer them. And it needs to make sense for the niche, right? You can't offer B2B sales emails or B2B emails to a B2C company or an e-commerce company, right? The service needs to make sense for the niche that you pick, okay? Number 3, get good at writing emails. So go through video number 4 in this series, the last video, and practice writing emails every day, right? Handwriting and typing out emails. And I give you some people to follow if you want to get better at writing emails that sell. Go back, watch video number 4, get good at writing emails and practice doing this as a skill. Number 4, go out and get clients using free methods. I have heaps of client acquisition videos on my channel, my YouTube channel, for free. Go out, use those methods, go get your first client, right? You can do direct outreach through cold email. You can do it through direct social outreach on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever social profile you can do outreach to whoever your niche is that you picked. And use these free methods to get your first 1 to 3 clients. Number 5, get results, get more clients, and repeat, right? So step number 1, pick your niche. Step number 2, pick the email service that you're gonna offer them. Make sure that it makes sense for the niche. Number 3 is to get good at writing emails. You're gonna practice writing every day. Step number 4 is go out and get clients using free methods that I cover on my YouTube channel. And step number 5, get results for your first client, get more clients, and then repeat. Right? So step number 1 through 4 is actually how you go and get your first client. And step number 5 is how you go get clients number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on and so forth. So these are the 5 steps. Don't effing overcomplicate this. I already covered this in a previous video, but don't overcomplicate this, right? Everyone wants to use all these different tactics like paid advertising and stuff to get their first client. Don't overcomplicate this. I just showed you exactly what you need to get your first client. These 5 steps here. Don't overcomplicate this. It's simple. It works, especially to get your first client. It's how I grew Growth Response to 20K per month in just 3 months, and how I did it again with our new Done For You email marketing service, using those 5 simple steps. Now, some of you may use this skill, right? When you get good at writing emails that sell, You may use this skill to sell your own coaching or your own consulting or your own info products or digital products, right? But let's just say that you want to do this full time. You love working with clients and you want to make 6 figures per year or even mid 6 figures per year writing emails for clients. Let's break down how to do that, how to scale to 100K plus per year writing emails for clients. Now, here's how to get to 100K here. Here's a simple math, right? Let's just say you sell the service to one client. Let's just say you have a daily email service. You sell it to one client at $2,500 per month. So after one client, you're at $2,500 per month. 2 clients, you're at $5K per month. 3 clients, you're at $7,500 per month. And 4 clients, you're at $10K per month, right? This is, for example, a daily email service where you're writing 20 emails per month per client. Now, if you have 4 clients at $10K per month, you're at $120K per year. And the best part, this is 100% profit, right? This is not like a paid advertising service where you take half of that and it goes to ad spend or whatever it is. This is 100% profit on this service on whatever the client is paying you. It costs you nothing to write emails and the client is paying for the email software themselves, right? You're not paying for the email software to send the actual emails. You are just writing the email copy and giving it over to your client, right? So all you're handing them is a Word doc, is words on a Google Doc, right? You're giving them a Google Doc and you're telling them what to write as a subject line, when to send it, and what to say in the email. That's it. And you're getting paid thousands of dollars to do that. It's a very simple service. It's 100% pure profit. There's no advertising costs that go into it. And all you're handing your client is a Google Doc. And if you are selling a daily email service at $2,500 per month, which comes out to that $100 to $200 per month range, you need 4 clients paying you that monthly service, and you're already at $120K per year, right? $10K per month, right? So, recap of what we covered. We talked about the 5 different niches that you can target with email marketing as a service, 5 ways that you can offer email marketing as a done-for-you service, 5 steps to get your first client in 30 days, and then how to scale to 100K plus per year writing emails for clients if you want to do just that. If you don't want to create your own products or your own consulting or programs or whatever it is. Now, if you got value from this free 5-part email marketing Rainmaker video series, first, give me a like. I put a lot of work into this, put a lot of time into this. And then also make sure that you join the private Facebook group where I'm going to be sharing a ton more, specifically on email and writing emails that sell. Okay, so if you want to join the group, go to www.emailrainmaker.com. That'll take you directly to the group. You'll answer 3 questions to get into the group. It's just me trying to figure out who you are, learn a little bit about you. And once you jump into that group, I'm going to be sharing a lot more specifically on email in addition to whatever I share here on my YouTube channel. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys got a ton of value out of this 5-part series. Go back, watch it again all the way through. Go back and watch this video again all the way through as well if you're trying to replace your day job. And yeah, I'm going to have more email in the future, more email marketing content in the future. If you want to see any type of content around email, comment below, let me know what that is, and I'll think about putting that in a future video. Other than that, go ahead and join the Facebook group, and I will see you in the next one.